Can I use the Find My iPhone app to locate my lost AirPod?
In this video, we will be discussing if you can use the Find My iPhone app to locate your lost AirPod and how to do it.
What is the Find My iPhone app?
The Find My iPhone app is a service offered by Apple that allows you to locate, lock, or erase your lost Apple devices remotely. It works with devices such as iPhones, iPads, Macs, and Apple Watches, helping you keep track of them.
Can the Find My iPhone app be used for AirPods?
Yes! The good news is that you can use the Find My iPhone app to locate your lost AirPods. The app has a feature called Find My, which works with the AirPods and AirPods Pro, allowing you to find them when they are lost.
How do I locate my lost AirPods using the Find My iPhone app?
Follow these steps to locate your lost AirPods. 1. Make sure your AirPods are connected to your iCloud account. This is usually done automatically when you set them up with your iPhone or iPad. 2. Open the Find My iPhone app on your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch, or go to iCloud.com/find on a computer. 3. Sign in with your Apple ID. 4. Tap or click Find iPhone. 5. Choose your AirPods from the list of devices. 6. You will see a map displaying the last known location of your AirPods. 7. If your AirPods are nearby, you can play a sound to help you find them. Note: if your AirPods are out of range or not connected to your device, the map will show their last known location.
What if I still can't find my AirPods?
If you're unable to locate your AirPods using the Find My iPhone app, consider the following. 1. Retrace your steps and check areas where you might have used them last. 2. Check with friends, family, or coworkers who might have seen them or picked them up accidentally. 3. Contact Apple support for further assistance or to inquire about replacement options. In conclusion, the Find My iPhone app can be a helpful tool in locating your lost AirPods. Just make sure they are connected to your iCloud account and follow the steps provided to increase your chances of finding them.